In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Google Drive for desktop. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly integrate your Google Drive with your computer for easy access and file management, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get everything set up. First, we need to download the Google Drive application onto your computer. Begin by heading over to the official Google Drive download page. There, you'll find a button labeled Download Drive for Desktop. Click on this button, and your computer will start downloading a file called Google Drive Setup.exe if you're using a Windows machine. This setup file is what we'll use to install Google Drive, so be sure to download it to a location you can easily find, like your desktop or your Downloads folder. Now that we have the setup file, let's move on to the installation and sign-in process. Find the Google Drive Setup.exe file you've downloaded and double-click it. This will launch the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts. They're designed to guide you through the installation process smoothly. The installer will handle the setup for you, and in just a few moments, Google Drive for Desktop will be installed on your machine. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. You should see an option to sign in. Click on Sign in with Browser to proceed. This action will open a window in your default web browser. Here, you'll need to sign in to the Google account that you'd like to sync with Google Drive for Desktop. Ensure you use the correct account credentials to avoid any synchronization issues. Once you've successfully signed in, the magic starts happening. A new drive or location will now be created on your computer. If you're on a Windows device, open the File Explorer. Look for a new drive labeled as Google Drive. It might be assigned a drive letter like G or H, depending on your current setup. Alternatively, you might find Google Drive listed directly under Quick Access or Network Locations. This new drive acts as a direct link to your Google Drive in the cloud, allowing you to access your files as though they were stored locally on your computer. By following these steps, you have successfully installed and set up Google Drive for Desktop, enabling a seamless connection between your computer and your cloud storage. This setup allows for automatic syncing of files between your devices and the cloud, keeping everything updated in real time. All changes made from your computer to your Google Drive files will reflect across any other devices connected to the same account, making file management that much more efficient. Congratulations on setting up Google Drive for Desktop. Now you can easily manage your files, save space on your computer, and ensure your important documents are backed up securely in the cloud. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.